Welcome back to Scotty's Hobbies. Real quick, I get a lot of people just asking for the lug nut torque specifications on vehicles. Not sure why, but I get that question a lot. So today we're covering Hyundai Sonata, the 2010 to 2021 year models. The lug nut torque specification does change on the later year models, so make sure to stay tuned throughout the whole video. Now I get my torque specifications on anything brake jobs, well, brake job wise. In this book right here, the Motor Guide book, Brake Specifications Guide, gives me the brake torque specs, the lug nut torque specs, everything I need to do a proper brake job. And if you are wondering how to do a brake job on your vehicle, make sure to look for a link in the description or the first comment, and you'll find a complete DIY step-by-step how-to tutorial on performing a front brake job on your Hyundai Sonata. You always want to tighten up the lug nuts in a star pattern. I'll snug the lug nuts up while the vehicle is in the air, drop the vehicle on the ground, and then set them to proper torque specifications. Now, the lug nut torque specifications on this vehicle. If you're working on a 2010 to 2017 year model Hyundai Sonata, these lug nuts are tightened up in a window of 65 to 80 foot-pounds. Again, lug nuts are tightened up in a star pattern or a cross pattern, never in a circle pattern. You want to make sure that that wheel is nice and flush, flat up against the hub and the rotor, just to ensure that you are not having any problems down the road vibration wise. Now again, the 2010 to 2017 year models, 65 to 80 foot-pounds. In 2018, the lug nuts do get tightened up a little bit more. The 2018 to 2021 year models, these lug nuts are tightened up in a window of 79 to 94 foot-pounds. A little bit tighter than the older year models, but again, 79 to 94 foot-pounds, tightened up in a star or cross pattern, never in a circle pattern. If this video did help you out, comment below with the year, make, and model of vehicle that did help you on. If you need torque specs on a different vehicle, comment below as well, and I'll help you out and get you those torque specifications. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Hit that like button right now, please. And I will see you guys on the next, hopefully helpful video.